What's good, people? Welcome back to another video. So this video is actually my first video in 2025, and today I have with me here the HP Victus laptop, and we are going to unbox it today. So to start things off, let's check out the specs. So we have an Intel i5 processor, which is a 12th gen processor. We have 512 gigabytes of storage. We have 8 gigabytes of RAM, which can be expanded. We have Windows 11. It's a 15.6 inch laptop, and it has a 144 hertz display. And we also have the NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card with 4 gigabytes of VRAM. And we also have a B&O sound system. So as you can see, this is the box right here. So let me just cut this open. Got my trusty scissors right here. Yes, sir. The excitement, man. I'm so excited for this. Bro, what is this scissors doing? Alright, y'all ready for this? Let's get it. Ooh, I'm excited. Alright, I see you. So right here, we have our laptop. Let's pull that out real quick. Damn! We got a blue color too. That's sick, man. We have our charger right here. Pull that out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we have, it's a 200 watts charger. So we got it right here. Put that aside. Let's check out the real deal, you feel me? So, damn, bro. So first off, we got the V right here. We got the Victus, HP Victus. We got some text right here. Take it out of the box. This is heavy, not gonna lie. We also have some paperwork right here. Find more information. No, we're gonna read this later. Let's check out the real deal. Damn, bro. I like this. So let's pull it out. Oh, okay. We got some tape. Y'all ready for this? Pull it out. Damn, this shit is heavy, man. Before I got this, I watched some reviews on YouTube, man. That shit almost gave me a broken heart. Let's open it up. YouTubers always talking about the flaws of laptops instead of the pros. Like, damn, bro. This shit is legit, man. We got the Victus text right here. We got the V logo. We got a webcam, man. Some gaming laptops don't give you webcams. We have a nice keyboard. Feels great. We have an Intel i5. We got our B&O logo right here. NVIDIA GeForce RTX. And our 144 hertz logo. So we got the V here, Victus. We have designed and engineered by HP. I don't know if this is an S10 or 015. We have our charging port, USB-A, headphone jack, full SD card slot on the front, nice and sleek. Type-C port, Ethernet, USB, HDMI, and on the back, we got a big old vent. Yes, sir. And on the bottom, we have a grill. Both of the fans are here. I don't know why they extended this to the whole side, but bro, I like this. Let's turn it on and see what it's all about, man. The screen has a lot of travel too. The videos I watched online, most of them were talking about the screen wobble and all of that, but this shit is nice. So power button right here. Let's turn it on. I'm gonna go ahead and here, so. So that's it for the unboxing of this laptop, and there's more to come with this laptop. This is my main laptop from now till whenever, so you're gonna see a lot of videos on this laptop, and this video is even going to be edited on this laptop, so we are going to see the editing performance and a whole other lot. So thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.